Hey everybody, it's Bill Wood in Houston, Texas today at the Texas Medical Center. I want to draw your attention to something that is frequently overlooked in buildings such as this. I'm standing on shell space on the top floor of this building where we have some steel penetrations coming through the horizontal membrane, the floor. And this is a 2-hour rated floor, but the piping coming up through the floor is not being put into use. And one of the things that is required is not only a fire stopping system that has an F rating that equals the thickness of the floor, but it also has to have a T rating, which is for the transfer of temperature up through the pipe into the space above. And I'll show you some examples here. These pipes coming up through the floor have no protection that above the floor that would prevent the passage of heat into a combustible material if it should be piled against here. The danger is that if paper or cotton or cardboard boxes or anything like that are ever placed against these pipes, pipes, if there was a fire below, the pipes would be glowing red hot and could conceivably cause the materials on this floor to combust. So according to the International Building Code 714-5.1.2, we need to have a T rating provided on penetrations like this, and you should make sure that on your project you've included T ratings. A couple more in the area. Like everything in the building code, there are exceptions. If your piping is embedded in solid concrete, or if it is contained inside a framed wall, a drywall, then those are good exceptions that you don't have to worry about the T rating. As you can see in the case of these pipes, they were not completely encased in concrete at the time of the concrete pour, and as a result, the exceptions do not apply to them. Make sure you're not overlooking these important ratings on these pipes. All of this should be discussed in a pre-construction risk evaluation. If you have any questions about the types of ratings that are required, give us a call, or we can give you a referral to any one of a number of great consultants in the country.